If you're running one of those new 16-pin GPUs, you might want to pay attention to this. Because, yeah, we've all seen the stories. Cables melting, GPUs dying, and people constantly checking their connectors like it's a full-time job. Especially with high-end cards, this has honestly become a real concern. But now, Corsair is stepping in with something that could actually make a difference. They've just launched a new cable called the ThermalProtect PCIe 5.1 600W cable. And the whole idea here is simple. Protect your expensive GPU before anything goes wrong. So here's what makes this interesting. This is a PCIe 5.1 compliant 16-pin cable based on the newer 12-volt 2x6 standard, and it can handle up to 600 watts of power. So yeah, it's built for those high-end graphics cards. But the real highlight isn't just the power, it's the safety feature. Corsair added something called over-temperature protection, or OTP, directly inside the cable. Basically, the cable itself is actively monitoring temperatures at the connector, and if things start getting too hot, it doesn't just warn you, it can actually shut down the GPU to prevent damage. That's huge, because instead of you constantly checking temps and connections, the cable is doing that job for you. What's also nice is compatibility. You don't need a Corsair power supply for this. It works with any PSU that supports the 12-volt 2x6 connector, which means a lot more people can actually use it. In terms of design, it comes in black and white. It's about 650 millimeters long, and it even has visual indicators to make sure you've plugged it in properly. What a small detail, but super useful. And the price? Just $24.99, which honestly feels like cheap insurance for a GPU that costs hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So yeah, this might not be the most exciting upgrade, but it could be one of the most important ones if you're running a high-end system. What do you think of this something you'd actually use, or are you trusting your current setup? Let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.